That's my man.
Shaq.
Yeah. He's a basketball player. He's a football player.
Ew. Oh.
Oh, ew.
She's going into surgery. Hi, welcome in. We have all of our coats right there.
This is our dining room table.
Little bevel.
This is our coffee maker. Our kitchen space.
Thank
our
you.
Stove, very nice. Cutesy. We have our oven. We're making pie because it defrosted already.
Look at that. Yum.
Tea. First bedroom.
Cute.
Cutesy.
Oh, that is really cute.
I don't know what that leads to.
Okay.
You
Emily,
wanna know?
take your glove off.
Oh. Anyways. Oh my god! She was like, this is our pantry.
With all of our goodies.
All of our snacks.
Nice.
And now we have one of the bathrooms.
How cute.
Walk-in shower.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay, that's like
Oh, look at this.
games. And then the living room. Why is he crying?
Here, highlighting the space, is the antler chandelier.
Yeah.
Our little furnace, and then we have our backyard patio.
Snowy.
So where's the hot tub?
I think it's around that way.
Let's go upstairs, let's go.
Oh, it's like
Whoa. This is so cool. Okay, for the first bedroom, we've got 4 beds.
4 beds.
Yeah. 6 beds. Time spent with the cabin.
Oh my god, it's so
Time well
snowy.
spent.
Go. Go run to the window.
Bigger bed.
Cute. When are we gonna eat the mullets?
In like 5 minutes.
I'm hungry.
Lights off. Lights off.
I can sit here. Someone can sleep. Oh.
Ooh.
Is the bathroom gonna shower?
No. Just bathroom.
That doesn't work.
Keep us very warm. Oh.
You can like it felt more, everything was more together. I'm gonna put right on your YouTube thing.
I'm gonna get
And then
banned.
that's your caption.
Watching.
Jake Paul gets knocked out. And then everyone's like, oh, but it's your vlog.
Oh. But it's
Maybe you want one in the microwave?
yeah.
I think those are
Those are queso. The red are red, and the one that's like green on top is verde.
Can I get the red?
Yeah.
How cute.
That's cute. Isn't it like Amazon? They're like $30. That one was like for $2. Wait, what do you want to do? Turn it? Oh, the screen.
The screen. Have you checked your pie?
Yeah, it's still. I want to.
Be outside.
I think it's right.
Secrets don't make friends.
That's scary.
You're gonna find a bear.
Oh, I need to get some notes.
There is.
Look at lighting. That sounded creepy.
I'll be like,
When West turns around and runs through
can they use flash? You sure?
No, he can't use flash.
No flash. Not even the secret?
The secret cannot. We can. To try it, yeah.
But then once he comes, you gotta turn it
You
off.
gotta turn it off. And run away.
Yeah, it's hide and seek tag.
away.
You said
You just
tag.
Yeah, if I
said
tag.
tag. So that means that they could run away. You have to tag them.
Yes.
Like if you see that like Kevin's over there and he sees that you are coming, he can run away from you.
Where's let's
Once you get caught, just come back to the top.
Okay, how about no running, but speed walking? So,
right?
yeah.
Outside's off limits.
You're gonna freeze. You're standing there.
Could be like an icicle like
The house is not big enough though. Oh, they're in
I
Oregon.
feel like it is, but yeah, well, let's try it once.
It's cool.
The one in Oregon was so cool because it was so far.
Are you sorry?
Like, to get
It was
Wes, you should vlog it. Oh, it's recording, my bad. Hi.
It's getting hot.
Focus.
But you know it's ready when it's
What are these? What are these games in here? What's phase 10?
Phase 10.
What's this? When are we playing?
Let's play it.
Is that good?
Technically,
That's good.
no, it gets cold pretty quickly.
Oh yeah?
Give us like 5 minutes.
No, I'm gonna give you guys 30 seconds.
There's
2
no
minutes.
time.
No.
Yeah, we have
Give
to
us
find
30
good.
seconds.
1 minute.
Yeah, at least 2 minutes. At least 2
2 minutes
minutes.
is too long.
No, it's
No,
not.
at least 2 minutes.
Do you guys think that could hold me?
All I know how to do is hard, so it's nothing.
No one here?
Okay, Karina.
Wait, whose camera is that? Yours? Oh, it's Karina.
I think it's good. I just got it.
You want that one?
Watch out.
You want to take a picture of it.
One shot, one shot.
No, you don't want to. Bro, it's cool.
I don't think
Hold on.
cedar or not. Mañana.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning, yeah.
Close tomorrow. So what are we playing?
Hide and seek, tag, slash, mafia, slash.
Slash
Among Us.
slash Among Us.
We're starting.
Hold up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, where's my phone? Go, you guys hide me behind here. Yeah, hurry. I don't fit. Just keep it like this. Like, not too covered. You can see my feet, no. Let me see. Oh, great. No, you're fine, you're fine. Can you see me? Can you see me? Look where she's at. Put the flash. What? I can't. Is he gonna turn the light on? Then I think you're fine. Because it's dark. I can't see anything. Bro, he's gonna hella catch me, guys. All your faults.
What?
I hear someone like that.
Wait.
Do you see anything?
Who's snoring?
Oh my god, Emily! That's actually a good spot. You've been there the whole time.
Okay, Spider-Woman.
Where's Kevin? He was outside. He doesn't remember.
It's arcades.
Where's Kev?
I think he's downstairs.
How you feeling? Show us your bump bag.
Huge.
That was crazy.
And then you came in and you're like,
Yeah, I did. I didn't think you would be there.
it's hard, huh? It's hard.
You were literally like this.
I was in the restroom. I was.
He was in the restroom, in the ceiling, I'm telling you. No, yeah, he was like holding on to all 4 corners like
I was. Yeah. There you go, bro. Yeah, after all this, I literally was, bro.
I was like this. I didn't find him.
My head, my feet are hurting, bro.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
He was.
Like the ceiling?
Yeah.
What?
I could go and show you where I was. You think you would have stopped me?
No.
No. No.
No. You're like Spider-Man, bro.
I don't want to go back to
I
there.
literally said there's no way Kevin's there. And then to the light, he's right there.
One at a time.
No,
Yeah.
heck no.
Yeah, one at a time. Because it's scary.
Go back over there so you guys don't hear me.
Yeah, come on, come on. Come on.
Don't scream at me because I'll pee.
Don't try
I
to
just
be
want to see
loud,
where he
Evan.
is. Oh, yeah, heck no. He's not here.
He has to be.
He's not here. He's probably in the bathroom.
Okay, you go.
Okay, go.
What the flash on?
He's in here, babe. Check it here.
Yeah, go over here.
Yeah, it's probably over there because there's no way he's in here.
Hurry before he comes up and scares us. You scare him first.
Cat looks so scared.
Bro, even with the...
One for that, yeah. Lasers!
Okay, Julie.
Okay, so this outfit is sponsored by Lululemon.
Okay.
Canada Dry.
Got a Wolfpack school rep.
Okay.
And then my little thermal thing under. And then these pajamas.
Okay. And then let's see your socks.
Oh, and then these socks. Yeah!
There you go.
Oh, and then
Oh, cute.
The little scarf.
Alright, Sammy.
Turn for us.
I told them to wear my scarf. It looked
Best.
Pants, shoes.
tech jacket. UNR. Alumni sweater. Snow pants.
Sockies are cute.
Columbia
Oh, they are
hiking
cute.
shoes. To bear the sex.
Okay.
And
That's smart.
Bands.
Ooh. And
Rugby. Saturday's a rugby day.
Saturday's a rugby day.
Oh, and my first beanie. I don't know what's from.
Sponsored
It's like a beanie.
by
Patagonia.
Patagonia.
Oh, Kev said he wanted a Red Bull. Okay. She's glowing like an angel.
That's why you look both ways.
Hey guys. Ready?
Pretend like you're gonna jump. Caption: she falls off of a rock.
All these like
Clickbait.
captions. Oh no, she just flies through the rocks.
We are in the great state of Colorado. This is the Colorado River here.
Tell him something.
What's up, Mabby?
In her natural habitat.
Made it.
She's back.
Made it back. The deep depths of the river.
Where are you? I gotta think.
Almost fell in. Tripped on a rock. Swept by the current.
So pretty.
Wow, wow, wow.
Gotta get a good grip on there.
Looks like an antler. Could be from one of the older males here.
Just kidding, it's a stick.
This
People
is
sleep in there actually.
this is called a tent for animals. The branches create a warmth in the inside. So inside, it's very, very cozy for those animals. In the winter, it can get very harsh and cold times in the night.
Okay.
It can get below 0 degrees. So it's crucial to save whatever body heat is available.
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
She wasn't able to hit it on the foot. That would have been out.
Good.
I don't think you're next.
It's the lag.
Do you guys want to say something?
Hold on, Mateo. Hey, vente para acá.
Lava, Mateo. It's warm.
It's so pretty.
Twilight, guys.
I love the moss, how it looks.
I think it's August or September, and you say like what time of the year is it? It says
Where?
That's from. No, I'm Christian.
Emily, you look so cool, Mama. But she never let go of her stick.
She's loyal.
Look at that stick.
And she knows how to move the hips.
Dude, we've been playing for literally, I don't even know.
Everyone's words, y para mí no.
Ibn? Yep, Ibn.
What a hater.
Ibn. ¿Dónde?
Where?
Ibn. ¿Dónde? Ibn. ¿Dónde? Ibn.
You're saying it then.
It's a word. Oh. Oh, no, sorry, I got mistaken. Why? 32 seconds. Devon. That's the word. Devon.
Oh, it makes sense.
Yeah.
No, wait.
Do you know Freedom looks good on you?
No, I don't even know what song that is. You gotta show it to me.
Looks good on you?
I'll play it.
I know.
I'm joking. Oh my god.
Hold on, let me hear one at a time.
Guys, good morning. It's really nice and crisp outside. I think I'm gonna go make a cafecito.
So we have regular, and then the last one's oat.
Alex.
Where is it?
Hey, watch out.
Going louder so you can hear. Whole oats.
The last one is oat. So that one is.
Yeah, I think it's oats.
Crab?
Doesn't she?
Top 8. Can we change it? I can change it to this.
Cozy.
Should I ask the chat?
He's like, I'm taking it. I like it. Thanks, guys.
Whoa.